guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new then hi, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little room tour, little dressing room tour, although we don't really know what to call this room. It's kind of like a dressing room slash beauty room, makeup room, filming room, office. It's a bit of a mixture really. I do everything in here, so I get dressed in here, do my makeup in here, my hair, and I film in here, like all my YouTube videos. It's a bit of a mixture really. So I'm going to be filming a little room tour and showing you guys this little room. It's not complete, I wouldn't say it's complete, but it's had a little bit of a revamp. Like I've had a few extras added in, not that you would probably know because I don't think I've ever shown this room on my channel. Well, I think I have, but like not like in depth kind of thing. I have got a few additions that have come out of Harrison's room and come into our room because he got a new bed and needed room. So I've gained some bits and he's lost some things. So if you do like this video and you want to stick around for more videos like this, then make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a big massive thumbs up if you enjoy it. So yeah, let's just get straight into this little room tour. So I'm at the door and this is my dressing room. Now it's not very big, but it does the job. I make do with what I've got. So yeah, as I walk in through the door, the first thing I have here is my ring light that I use for all my videos and take pictures and things. So I got this from Amazon by the brand, I think it's pronounced Newer. So yeah, I got that off Amazon. It wasn't that expensive, maybe like £30, maybe a bit less. But yeah, I use this all the time for like filming and all that kind of stuff. So then coming in, I have my dressing table, which is I believe the MALM dressing table from IKEA. Obviously it doesn't come with the glass, you have to purchase that separately, but I really like this. I think everyone's got this in their dressing room because it's just a really nice dressing table, and I love the fact that I have the glass because it's, you know, when makeup goes in there, it's easy to clean and stuff. And I've got my makeup brushes. These are nasty. They need a clean, a deep clean. They're just gross. So the holders for my makeup brushes, I'm pretty sure they're just like jars. Probably use them for like candles and stuff, but I use them for my makeup brushes. And they're both from the range. I've had these for so long. I think I purchased these literally when me and James like bought this house, and I was like, right, they're the first things that I bought. When I knew I was having a dressing room, I was like, right, I need to buy things. This mirror, had this as well for ages. I think I had this from when I went to uni, bought that and took it with me. That's from IKEA, so I've had that for ages and I really like that mirror. It's a really nice mirror. The lighting's gone a bit crazy in here, but these lights are from IKEA, so I just thought I'd switch them on just to show you what they're like. They are very warm, a warm bulb. I do want to change them for more of a cooler bulb like light, so that's what they look like on. But those lights are from IKEA. So yeah, these lights are from IKEA. They are supposed to go onto the wall, but James wouldn't let me do it at the time because we just recently plastered the room, and he's a very not OCD, but you know it doesn't really matter because it doesn't like affect it or bother me or anything like that. They're just literally stood up and propped up, but yeah, they're fine. But at least we don't have holes in the wall. So yeah, lights are from IKEA, even the bulbs are from IKEA. This mirror is also from IKEA. I'm not entirely sure what mirror it is, but I will leave everything, if I can, links down below so you can go and check them out and stuff. And then moving on to this side, this is just a little jar. I think I got this, oh yeah, this is from IKEA as well. Got this from IKEA. I just use it for my cotton pads. I thought that was really cute. This is not ideal. I need a little I need a jewellery stand. I'm literally just putting my things on there, which is not good, is it? Then this is, what do you call these, like perspex makeup drawer holder things. So on here I just have all the things that I use pretty much every day, so I just have them kept there so I don't have to keep getting them out of drawer. I just have my contact lens solution, my micellar water, cleansing water to take my makeup off with my cotton pads, my Skin Rescue Wonder Balm, which I use on my lips and things, and my eyes because I get really bad dry skin, and my Cetera Balm cream, which I love. And this just like my little, you've probably seen me do a video about this. This is just a Hollywood browser and I love that. I think this was also from the range, just a little J. I don't really like it, but it's staying for now. And then obviously in here I just have makeup, so like lipsticks and concealers and things. But I won't actually show you what's inside because I'm going to do another video on that to show you a bit more in depth what's in there. Same with this, just a little makeup holder stand. It's got everything in there from like foundations to highlighters, lip pencils and all that kind of stuff, and a book of eyelashes. But yeah, I'm going to do another video and show you everything that's in here. This chair is also from IKEA. I love this chair, but I do feel like I want to change it up a little bit and like get like a velvet crushed chair, because I do want to get some like pictures on the walls. I want to like add to this room, obviously, because I don't feel like this is ever will be complete. I'll always want to change it. So yeah, I want to get a new chair. So if anyone knows of any companies or websites or anything like that where I can get like a nice pretty plush blush pink like velvet crushed chair, do let me know. Leave a comment down below. And then these are my Alex straws. I recently got these a few months ago, and here I just have like laptop chargers and all that kind of stuff in the top drawer. And then I keep all like beauty blenders, random eyelashes that I should probably throw away. I just have like palettes in there for like face palettes. And yeah, so this is pretty much like a face drawer, so like all my contours and things in there. And then in this drawer is all my eyeshadow palettes, and I've got some mirrors, so that's full to the brim. And then this drawer is all like skincare. I mean, I can't really get it out because that's in the way, but I've got like skincare, fake tan, all that kind of stuff in this drawer. And then the last drawer, oh, it's opened itself, is like all my hair care stuff. So I've got like dry shampoo, all my bubbles, my appliances like hairdryer and curlers and things in that one. So that's that drawer. And then this is also, I think, from IKEA, this little hanging rail. It's a little bit, it needs a bit tightening and stuff, but I just use this for things that I like, all my coats and stuff I put on there, and then things that I'm wearing at the moment that's trending. And I also have started to use this for like my YouTube video hauls, so I really like this. It's a nice addition to the room. I just think it's really nice. So I've been hanging all my clothes on there, and I've got shoes. I don't know if you'll be able to see because it's quite dark, but I have a few pairs of shoes under there as well. Yeah, and there I've got my little rug, which is a bit stained, so I'm not going to zoom in and show you that because that's gross. I need a new rug. That's the only downside to having like makeup room. Makeup gets everywhere. So yeah, I want to get a new rug, but I think I'm going to go for a different colour. This is from IKEA as well. I think this room is just pretty much IKEA. So this is, now I don't know what these are called. I can't remember what these are called, but as I say, I will find out and I will link it down below for you. But up here, I just have my little photo of Harrison up there. I've got his little baby scan photo. I think that's his 20-week scan photo. No, like 16 weeks. I think we found out the gender because it says it's a boy, but I didn't know where to put it. It was in Harrison's room, and then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to put it in my dressing room because I like it. It's a nice photo. It's a nice little sonogram photo. I've got Yankee Candle. This you probably will have seen. I got this from, I think I got this from Primark, or I want to say Home Bargains, something like that. But it's just a little light. It needs the battery changing, but it's just a little J. So yeah, I like that. It's quite cute. Now this goes everywhere. This was downstairs, and then I decided I'm going to put it in here. So this is from Home Bargains, and then the flowers, daffodils, the fake daffodils, they're also from Home Bargains, and just thought it just looks nice up there. So yeah. And then in this little section drawer, I've just got my watch, my Olivia Burton watch, which obviously I'm not wearing at the moment because I'm not going anywhere to wear it, so it's just in its box on my shelf for now. Same with my little bag that I got from Fiorella. This was kind of gifted. I've not really got anywhere to go to wear this bag at the moment, so it's just on my shelf looking really pretty. So that's there. And then I've got my little ring really I didn't really know what to put on here. I just kind of just chucked things on to just fill a bit of the space up and make it look nice. So yeah. And then in here, this one I've got, this is like a bag of skincare that I got gifted from Balance Me. Love this brand. I've got a few things in there, like body lotions and stuff. And then this is literally just, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's just an empty box, and I thought it looked nice. So I've put that on the shelf. This is my no, it's not, Jade. It's not a camera. This is my microphone that I use when I'm filming and doing like voiceovers and stuff. James got me this for Christmas. It's by the brand Blue. It's a really great microphone for anyone who is looking for a microphone. These are top of the range microphones, and like loads of YouTubers use them. So yeah, James got me that for Christmas. So in here, right, is my perfumes, but I think 2 of them are full. I don't know why. I've just kept the bottles to look nice, just to make the shelf look nice, because when I get new bottles I will chuck them away, but they just, I don't know, it just makes my shelf look nice, and I was like, right, I'm just going to keep them to make it look prettier. So yeah, they are quite empty, but these are some of my favourite perfumes that I have, like Daisy Mac Jacobs, my Tom Ford Black Orchid. This is my ultimate fave. This one is the Agent Provocateur Fatal Pink. I got this in my cohorted subscription box, so that was kindly gifted. Marc Jacobs Dot, Marc Jacobs Decadence, favourite perfumes. This one is, what's this one? La Vieste Belle by Lancome. Love that perfume. It's so nice. And then the trusty Lady Million, which, yeah, they're all empty apart from these 2. But yeah, I just can't chuck them away. I'm a bit of a hoarder, guys, in case you probably haven't noticed yet. And then this is just a handbag that, again, was kindly gifted by Fiorella. So the handbag that I currently use, I'm just going to like keep there. So it's just a simple, nice, cute black handbag, shoulder bag. So I love that. So yeah, I thought, right, I'm just going to keep that there. Maybe I could put a pair of shoes on there instead, but I don't really have any nice shoes that I could put there. So yeah, they're my little drawers that I have, that I use. And then this is my wardrobe. Well, it was Harrison's wardrobe. It's now mine. We kind of share it. I'll just show you inside. It's nothing exciting. It's not very tidy. It's tidy-ish, but Harrison's got a few bits in there. There are a few bits of mine. I've got just random things, shoes, handbags and boxes of stuff in there. And then in the drawers, I think I've just got just random things again. These are just kept in here from when Harrison had this wardrobe. So like his towels and bedding and things that I need to get rid of. Actually, like his sleeping bags, but I don't feel like I don't want to get rid of them because obviously we want to have another baby, so they're just going to stay there for now. And in this drawer is basically a load of crap. Is that what you would call it? It's basically just like I've just shoved everything in this drawer basically. So I've just got like makeup bags, pretty much, handbags. This is like a little bath section, like bath bombs and creams, all my eczema stuff. I have in here, what's in here? Nail varnishes, again, more bags, and headbands and things, just and baby wipes that I've just stored in there. But I think I've got like makeup and things in here, so I will show you those in when I do my makeup collection and video. And just in the last one, I really like this drawer. It's like a basket kind of style. This is again just Harrison's stuff that needs to be sorted, but for now it's just going to be kept there for now, just like his muslin cloths and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, all his bedding. So yeah, that is my little dressing room, my office slash whatever you want to call it, beauty room. Also in this drawer is makeup, but yeah, I'm not going to show you those because I want to do a makeup video. But yeah, this is my dressing room. So this is my dressing room, and I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the room. It's very long overdue. I do feel like I'll probably end up doing another one of these in a few months because I am going to plan on decorating again in here some point. But I just thought that I'd do a quick little video to show you what it is like now. And yeah, wanting to get like some like lace curtains, and I want to put some like things up on the walls, some picture frames and stuff. So it isn't fully complete, but I just thought I'd show you it anyway. This is probably one of my favourite rooms in the house. I just love coming in here and just being on my own. It's like a bit of a zen room for me. It's just, like I say, it's got all the things in here that I love, like my hair stuff, my beauty stuff, all that kind of stuff. So I love coming in here and just sitting and just doing my makeup and sitting on my laptop and doing some editing and, you know, catching up with Instagram and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I love coming in this room. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like I mentioned earlier on in the video, I have a lot of makeup, so I am going to be doing a little in-depth makeup video. So if that is something that you do want to see, then do let me know by making sure that you do give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.